Coconut water, the clear liquid found at the center of a green, immature coconut, has been a fixture in health-conscious fridges for a few years now. And its popularity doesn't look to be slowing down. In 2020, the worldwide market value of coconut water was projected to near $4.25 billion. In 2023, this figure is expected to roll up to $8.3 billion. The coconut nut is a versatile source of numerous nutrients, and despite being used as a drink or food, it can also serve as natural medicine. Being easily digested and full of minerals and nutrients, it treats and prevents numerous health conditions and diseases. Being full of antioxidants, it is one of the most potent weapons against free radicals and helps in the fight against various cancers, especially breast and colon cancer. Coconut water, the juice found inside the young, green, and undamaged coconuts, is a clear, sweet liquid that is a rich source of sugars, vitamins, minerals, electrolytes, enzymes, amino acids, and cytokines. On the other hand, it is very low in calories, only 39 calories per 100 milliliters. The regular consumption of coconut water supports health in many ways, such as coconut water contains lauric acid, which fights fungi, viruses, and bacteria and fights infections and inflammation in the body. Being a rich source of dietary fiber, coconut water regulates blood sugar levels and prevents diabetes. 1 glass, 240 grams, of coconut water contains 57.6 milligrams of calcium, aka the best pal of your bones and teeth. Coconut water does contain some calcium and so will contribute to supporting teeth and bones, says Hope. Although it's important that you ensure you're consuming a range of calcium sources, as coconut water isn't as high as other sources such as dairy, nuts, soya, or fortified products. Coconut water is high in copper, which prevents cognitive decline due to aging and protects the nerve cells from protein plaques that contribute to the progression of Alzheimer's. Coconut water rehydrates the body and thus soothes headaches, since dehydration is one of its most common causes. The fatty acids it contains strengthen the hair and regenerate it. Coconut water is easily digested and is rich in protein, and it suppresses appetite and boosts the fat-burning process. It contains omega-3 fatty acids and saturated acids that stimulate collagen production and improve skin health, treating wrinkles, stretch marks, and age spots. Therefore, make sure you incorporate this healthy drink into your diet and you will reap all its health benefits. Moreover, its flavor is absolutely fabulous.